Have you ever done something and immediately thought, why did I do that? Maybe you sent a risky text, made an awkward joke, or agreed to something that your future self is now questioning. Welcome to the club. Regret can be that little voice in our heads, whispering you should have done this instead. But what if I told you that regret isn't actually your enemy? What if it's actually a valuable tool that can help you grow and learn? As the philosopher Soren Kierkegaard once said, life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Regret is just our brain's way of trying to make sense of the past while we're still navigating the present. So why do we regret things? Regret is basically our brain's quality control department, analyzing mistakes and making sure we don't repeat them. In psychology, this is known as counterfactual thinking, where we imagine alternative realities that could have happened. There are two types: upward counterfactuals, if only I had done this differently, and downward counterfactuals, at least it wasn't worse. Research shows that people who reflect on their regrets constructively actually make better decisions over time. But those who get stuck in regret, they end up in an endless cycle of what-ifs. So, how can we regret less? Here are 4 strategies. 1. Reframe your perspective. Think of your past self as a well-meaning but slightly clueless character in a video game. They didn't have all the information you do now, so try to be kind and compassionate towards yourself. 2. Accept that perfection is a myth. Regret loves to make us believe that there was a perfect choice, but the truth is, every decision comes with trade-offs. Even not making a choice is a choice. 3. Ask yourself if it will matter in 5 years. Most regrets fade over time. That embarrassing thing you said last week? Probably not a core memory for anyone else. The 5-year rule helps you zoom out and see the bigger picture. 4. Use regret to level up. Instead of seeing regret as a punishment, think of it as a tutorial level in a game. It's just teaching you how to play better next time. Neuroscience backs this up. When we analyze regrets, our brain strengthens neuropathways related to decision-making and emotional regulation. At the end of the day, regret is proof that you care about your choices, your impact, and your future. But don't let it hold you hostage. Instead, use it to make decisions that your future self will thank you for.